Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm unstuffing from my envelopes. I have a few things that I need to take back to the bank. So I'm going to do that in this video, and then I might do a cash condensing. I feel like I just did one, so I don't really know if I need to do one, but you know, might as well. That's something I always do. I like doing that. It's also fun to condense. So I'll probably do that towards the end. But I'm going to go in my wallet because I have to pull money out from coffee, because I always just like reload my card and I put the money in here when I reload. Okay, so I reloaded twice with $10. So this is going to go back to the bank. That is the coffee. Let me get a little highlighter. Okay, so coffee done. And I believe, is that everything? No, I think I have some envelopes in here I can pull from as well. So let's see, gifts, no. Household, no. Hobbies, no. Content. Okay, so content, I need $12. I have two Etsy orders that I did that I need to pull for. So 7 and 5, which is 12. Oh, I have 12. Perfect. 10, 11, 12. Okay. So this is going back to the bank. And I need to update my tracker. Okay, so minus 12, which is 2 and 5. Okay, so 52 I should have in here. So 20, 40, 45, 50, 1, 2, $52. All right, so that is content. All right, and if you're wondering where I got this cash unstuffing sheet from, I made it, and right now it's on my Patreon if you're interested in downloading that. There's a bunch of other downloads too. I always put like a digital download, budget related digital download on Patreon every month. I'm still working on the one for this month, but yeah, I tend to put something up there for people to enjoy. And that's it for my wallet. So that one's done. And then I'm just gonna go into this black binder next. So I just did a Scentsy order, so I need to pull money out of there. I got my mom some Scentsy stuff. They sell these like little packs of like scent that you can put in stuffed animals, and they sell the little stuffed animals there. My mom has a ton of them. She bought a ton of them for her classroom because she teaches 2nd grade right now, and if the kids are ever feeling a little like down or having, you know, a moment, she'll let them pick one of the stuffed animals and you know, cuddle with it and stuff, and or like put it on their desk, and it calms them down. So they also like the smell. They like to smell them. So I bought her some scents. Oh, perfect. I have 51. So it was 51 for my order. I also ordered some stuff for myself, but I also ordered her some things as well. So 51 is going back to the bank. I need to move my money. Okay, I got a 50. Nice. Okay, so 51. So I'm left with, let's see, 20, 45. Let me minus 51, 45. Yeah. Okay, so I'm left with 45 in here. That one is all done for Scentsy. Let's see what else. Furniture. Oh, actually, rainy day. I'm gonna do rainy day. I haven't put the amount yet because I'm just gonna take whatever I have in here and take half of it and put it into back to the bank. So let's see what I have. I have 70, so I can do 35. So if I do 35, I don't have enough though. Let me come back to this one because I don't have change yet for that. So let me go into my other envelopes. Furniture, I have 30. I bought a dresser for my room, finally. So happy to have that. I just haven't built it yet. And then I bought some like little drawer organizers for it. So I took that out of furniture. That's 30 bucks from here. Okay, so I'm gonna take this 50, give myself 20 back. Oops. Okay, 50. And then I'm left with, let's see, I had 73. So I'm left with 10, 20, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43. 43. Okay, so let me update this. 43 minus 30. Perfect. Okay, so that is furniture. I got that stuff off of Amazon. Let me go into my white binder next, and I'll come back to this one to finish off with rainy day. So let's see what I got. I got 2 Target purchases. So I got some stuff for my nephew. It wasn't like a gift per se, but I made him this. I told my sister I wanted to make him like a little emergency kit because he has this like issue with getting bloody noses. And I actually was in the car one time when this happened. We were on our way to my brother's, and then all of a sudden he just got a bloody nose, and it was a lot. It was a lot. And we didn't have like the things he needed to deal with that. So yeah, I got him like a little, I made him like a little kit for that. So tissues and, what else did I put? Oh, like a little bag to put the tissues in, hand sanitizer, like a cold compress. I've got him a bunch of things. Also, things for if he gets hungry, because he tends to get a little hangry, even though he doesn't want to admit it. He gets very angry when he hasn't eaten. So I got him like little snacks. So this is like his little emergency kit when he's traveling. So yeah, it wasn't really like a gift per se, but it's just like a fun idea that I thought. And he really enjoyed it. He was super excited, picking out all the things that he wanted to put in his little kit. He wanted some Band-Aids. I got him some Band-Aids just in case, you know. So it was really cute. So I spent about 40 bucks. So I'm gonna put 20, 30, 40. Actually, that's all my money from family. And I'm just pulling it from family. Okay, so that's 20, 30, 40. So that zeroes out family. Minus 40. Yeah, so there's no excuse next time for any of those things, especially the snack thing. So he won't be upset, hopefully, and in a better mood. That's the goal, at least. That's what I'm hoping. Let's see, Target. Also, I got some stuff for myself at Target. I think about shampoo. So I need to get 11. So I need 19, which I don't have enough. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go into my savings binder to make some change. Which this probably has to be, yeah, this definitely has to be condensed. I always can count on the ones I have in here. So I'm going to take 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me just double check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that should give me enough change. Although I wish I had a 5, but that's okay. So I'm about to take most of that money. Okay. So beauty, again, I need 19. So, let me see something really quick. 25, 6, no, I don't have it. Okay. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 25 and just give myself 14 back. Yeah, 14. And that way I have a 5 now. That'll really help for what I have to do next. So I'm going to give myself 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And this should all math out correctly. So I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15 left. And I had 26. So I have 15 minus 11, which is 26. Perfect. Okay, so that's beauty. So beauty is done. Okay, and then last is rainy day. I'm gonna go back to that one and take the money out of there. Oops. All right, so rainy day, I'm taking out a rainy day because I took a day off from work and I didn't use PTO. So whenever I do that, I always take money out of here and put it back into my account. Now this does not cover my paycheck for the day, but it's a little something at least. You know, I just like to throw a little something into my account for those days. So I want 35. So I'm gonna just take this 50 and do 15. Yeah, 15. Give myself 15 back. That's why I wanted this 5, because I knew I needed a 5 for this little unstuffing. So I'm left with 10, 20, 35. And that is what's half of this, because I have 70 in here. Oh, geez. Put this in the wrong spot. Okay. So that's minus 35. Left with 35. All right. Now, I need to write the amount over here. And that one's all done. And then I need to calculate, because I haven't calculated this because I didn't know how much I was taking on a rainy day yet. But let me calculate this to see how much I have, make sure that I have what I'm supposed to have over here. All right, so 20, 51, 7, 5, 35, 40, 11, and 30. 199. Okay, so I have 51, 150, 170, 190, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 199 is left over here. And I have some 50s, so I can actually do want to make sure I can at least see if I can try to keep those 50s in rotation in here. So I'm gonna go into the binders and just check everything, make sure if I can. This only has 15, so that one can't. This one has 545, so 45 I can't. Almost there, but can I get a 20 in here maybe? Yeah, I can get a 20 at least. So 20, so that's 45 in cash. This is Christmas. Electronics only has 10. Emergency has, actually I think I can do this one. This one can use some 50s. All right, so I have 150, 20, 40, 45, 50. 20, 40, 45, 50, perfect. All right, so I have 100, 150, 200, 1, 2, 3. So 203 in cash. That's correct. Extra debt has 25, so that one's good. Furniture, I can do 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. Okay, so I can do 40, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. So 2 20s. So that's $43 in furniture. Okay, I was able to condense a little bit more than I thought. Although I'm gonna be out of 20 soon. So I'm gonna do another 20. So that's 20, 35. Registration's done. Road trip. 20, 30. Okay, I don't have any 20s left, so I can't do anything there. Scentsy has 45, so that one's good. Subscriptions, I can do a 10. So that's 110. Oops. Treat Yourself has 300. Okay, so maybe in here I can do some 50s. So 20, 40, 50. Oh, I have 20s again. I might go back to an envelope. So that's 1, 200, 250, 300, 305, 306 in cash for Treat Yourself. And I believe it was road trip, I think. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna do 20 here. So that's 45. All right, so that one's all good. Nice and condensed. All right, next up, I'm gonna do, actually I wanna do the savings binder next. So I feel like maybe I can get some, actually I just stuffed this, so maybe not. Okay, so this one, oh, I can do 20. My last 20. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 300, 320, 325. This one's Go Wild. Okay, I can't do anything with that one. I'm gonna leave this one as it is. Okay, let's see if this one maybe. So it's all mixed up. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 10 over here. Yeah, so that one's good. This one I just stuffed, that one's good. And then maybe in here. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I can do 5. Here. All right, and then I have a couple more binders. Okay, this white one next. Alrighty, Beauty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So $5 here. This is 15. Clothing has 90. I don't have any 20s, so that won't work. Disney I think is good. Family Fun has 20, so I don't have a 20. Holiday Decor has, that one's good. Home Decor, nope, okay. So that's that one. And I have a couple, I have a few in my wallet that I'm shopping with currently. All right, so gifts has 70. I'm gonna leave that one as it is. Household 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nope, that one's good. Hobbies, that one's good. Target, nope, that one's good. And content, okay, I can do a 10. So that's 20, 40, 50, 1, 2, 52. Okay, so that's all I could do. Now I'm just gonna double check and make sure I still have 199 over here. So I have 50, 60, 70, 80, 91, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 199. Perfect. All right, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching as I unstuffed and condensed my envelopes. I hope you all enjoyed. If you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.